Hey, Jim Starwell here. Today I'm at Perricone's in downtown Fox Lake, right off of Route 12, turn on to Grand Avenue. We're right here. These guys are amazing. They make the absolute best gourmet sub sandwiches around, very reasonably priced. And you know, I get the regular size one and I can barely eat it. When we do our Wednesday night tournaments, we usually get a sub sandwich from here and we put it in our cooler. Halfway through, when we're going through the no wake zones, is when we eat our sandwich, and it's pretty much the highlight of our fishing tournaments because I don't bring in that many fish, but I try. Homemade soups, custom sandwiches. You're gonna love. My favorite is the roast beef sandwich, the roast beef sub. So stop out at Perricone's. I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. If we see you here, I'll buy you a sandwich if you mention this video.